upper memory. Upper memory, guys. Stop playing late. Stop playing late.
Stop playing.
Anyway, I won't take up.
Tama na yung Batman mo.
But 2.5 hours.
Uli ka balbon.
Okay. The upper memory refers to the memory between, kasi ganyan siya, people. Actually,
Uy, patay ka na pre.
Mali ito. Mali, no?
Orange dapat wood. Ay, hindi, tama yan. sorry.
okay. Upper memory refers to the memory between the addresses of 640K and 1 MB. Okay, so 640K and 1 MB. Okay.
Si Batman.
Here is upper memory. In some books, they call it UMA, upper memory area. Okay. The high memory refers to software and techniques employed to give applications to access more than 640K of conventional memory. Okay. So the thing here beyond 640K is what we call HMA, high memory area. Okay. The 640K believe it was specific, the IBM PC and close compatibles. And then there's this term called the extended memory. The first megabyte of other space in an IBM